Hello everyone, what's up? I hope all of you are fit and fine. So today I came back with my new long video. Today's video is going to be something more special as it will be about a mammal. In today's video, I am going to give you some information about Kodiak Bear. So, without wasting the time, let's start off with my new video. Kodiak Bear. The Kodiak Bear, also known as the Kodiak Brown Bear, and sometimes the Alaskan Brown Bear, inhabits the islands of the Kodiak Archipelago in southwest of Alaska. It is one of the largest recognized subspecies or population of the brown bear and one of the two largest bears alive today, the other being the polar bear. They are also considered by some to be a population of grizzly bears. Physiologically and physically, the Kodiak bear is very similar to the other brown bear subspecies, such as the mainland grizzly bear and the extinct California grizzly bear, with the main difference being size, as Kodiak bears are on average 1.5 to 2 times larger than their cousins. Despite this large variation in size, the diet and lifestyle of the Kodiak bear do not differ greatly from those of other brown bears. Kodiak brown bears are omnivores and opportunists, eating both plant and animal matter and consuming almost anything they can find. Diet analyses show that they primarily consume vegetation like sages, herbs, and berries, as well as salmon. Salmon makes up about 64% of their diet, with another 26% being plant matter. As we know that polar bear is the largest bear in this world. The Kodiak bear is the second largest bear in the world, known for their impressive size and strength. Adult males can stand over 10 feet tall when on their hind legs and weigh up to 1,500 pounds. Females are typically smaller, being about 20% smaller in height and 30% lighter than males. Kodiak bears are not extinct and are not considered endangered. The IUCN classifies the broader brown bear species, of which Kodiak bears are a subspecies, as least concerned, while not endangered. Kodiak bears face threats like habitat loss, climate change, and human-bear conflicts. They are closely managed by the Alaska Department of Fish and Game and the Kodiak National Wildlife Refuge. Though the Kodiak bears are not extinct and are not endangered, then also I must say that this shouldn't be extinct in the future status. Again, I will tell that all animals and birds also have the equal right to live in this planet with their freedom, peace, and courage. The animals are not born in this planet to keep us entertained by sacrificing themselves. They are not born to become someone's pet, not to stay in the zoo. They also have the equal right to lead their life with their perspective in this earth. For our entertainment, those animals shouldn't be harmed. I believe that all animal lovers will agree to me. The poachers, hunters, and smugglers are killing the animals either for their business or to lead their own lifestyle without even thinking that the animals might get harmed due to this. They are cutting the trees and don't even care that they are doing something very much brutal. My motive of this video is not only to share information about Kodiak bears but also to save the animals and birds. The time has come to save the animals and birds. If you like my video, then please make sure to subscribe to get more information about animals and birds. Love you all, take care. And lastly, I will say save animals, save birds, save nature, and save your mind.